he drank quite a bit when we had the garage.
Dog to stop snooping around in my garage.
Yes, I need a taxi. Arnie's garage, the corner of 5th.
Do you have wood in your garage?
Your dad wants to see you in the garage.
Bon, bah, tire-la en bas, je te
I
suis.
went down that garage to buy this sword from that guy. What's his name?
Look at the garage.
Stating that explosives would be detonated at this parking garage.
Where did you get that?
Garage sale.
Belong? What? They make you in the garage with power tools?
It's no secret, though. He drank quite a bit when we had the garage, and he messed up a lot of jobs and.
Better tell your dog to stop snooping around in my garage.
I will, Bob.
Hello. Yes, I need a taxi. Arnie's garage, the corner of 5th.
Hello? Yeah, we're not gonna need that.
Do you have wood in your garage?
What?
Your dad wants to see you in the garage.
Why?
Bon, bah, tire-la en bas, je te suis.
Got it.
Favorite theory? You went down that garage to buy this sword from that guy. What's his name?
I don't know, you tell me.
Mostly I work at a garage.
Where?
Reseda Boulevard.
Police received an anonymous phone call stating that explosives would be detonated at this parking garage at 2nd and Broadway at 6 o'clock.
Shh. Where did you get that?
Garage sale.
So weird.
Wyatt.
Belong? What? They make you in the garage with power tools? They own you? Control.
If any of this was going to happen, we'd have been fine making chairs out of a tiny garage for the rest of our lives.
Yeah, just do what makes you happy.
You mean the bike that's been in our garage for 2 years? Put your head back.
The garage has got a Mitch. He's in the car.
Sorry, sir. There's been a gas leak in the garage. I can't let you through.
These are my plates.
No shit, Sherlock. That was taken with a security camera in the garage of your office building the night Fuller was slaughtered.
I'm not
I keep this in the garage for safety.
My toe, it hurt like hell.
I got the money all packed. I put the Jeep and his caddy in the garage. People think we went away. Buy us some time.
Good thinking.
I know better.
I buy unused cars, and that's in a hurry. But like I said, it's too nice a day to argue. I'll shoot your car in the garage here.
Right after he found out he was getting laid off, he goes home and tries to kill himself by running the car in the garage.
Is he dead?
No, man, check it out.
50-yard radius, lads. Looks like one of those garage doors or one of those TV changers. And a transmitter.
Can one of you move this table to the garage because this is the dance floor?
Let me take care of that. Get up.
We're home. See the garage? That's your studio. Come on.
It was electrical. The garage door opener went kaput.
What is it? What's wrong?
I'll meet you at the garage!
That's the name of your band, bro.
Yeah, and we slay.
Yeah, you slay. In your mama's garage.
Marvin, didn't I put you in the garage?
Oh, it's okay. I let him back in when I went out.
Fucker. Parking garage?
Hello.
Mr. Kleinfeld?
Yeah.
This is Patrolman Williams. We're down here at your garage. Your license plate is D.